can introduce your name and then begin.
Hello everyone, this is Maushumi. I'm myself Sudha.
Myself Aparna.
And our rhymes heading is My School, and it goes like this. I like to play with dolls and toys, dolls and toys, dolls and toys. I like to play with dolls and toys at my school. I like to dance and sing the song, sing the song, sing the song. I like to dance and sing the song at my school.
Very good. Excellent. Just hold it up. The title of your nursery rhyme. Together. My school. Yes. Excellent. Now group 2 is invited again, please.
I'm taking this.
Yeah. Yeah, I would like to have this card, please. Introduction.
Yeah, hi, this is Vedi here. I'm Swati.
I am Tamarai.
Look at your friends.
Our topic is sunlight. Okay, we shall start. Sun rises in the east and shades its light, make the world very bright. Helps me get up early, ready to school. Mother is in hurry, father is cool. Bus is honking, poo poo poo.
Excellent. Group 3. Yeah, just excuse me.
Hello, I am Shilpi. I am Nagalakshmi.
I am Vinita.
I am Radhika.
Our rhyme is Lovely Mom. My dear mummy, give me a kiss every day. My dear mummy, give me a hug every day. My dear mummy, give me a cheer always.
Yeah. Give me the card, please. Yes, so I would like to have your attention, please. I would like to have your attention, please. So now, have you all seen how you all have come up with your talents, your skills? Because opportunity was provided. You all were given an opportunity, as I told earlier. When you provide opportunity, apt or convenient opportunity to the children, same applies to the children. When you give an opportunity, they will come up and display their skills and talents. You are going to enhance their language skills, their vocabulary skills. Isn't it? So, I just wanted to clarify about the assignment. My alphabet book. You need to thank Sadaf ma'am, because ma'am has said that this measurement depends upon its to your discretion. There is no accurate measurement. Last batch had an accurate measurement. It's now at your discretion to decide whatever, but only you should maintain a uniformity till the end. Same measurement for all the alphabets. Whatever you are taking, whether you are taking 1 centimeter, 1.5, whatever it is. So you maintain that throughout, from A alphabet till the Z alphabet. And one more thing which I just left upon was, just at the end, before you spiral bind, you need to leave 5 to 6 blank pages after Z. You need to attach 5 to 6. You can attach 6 pages. 6 sheets, blank sheets. We have one more assignment to be compiled in this. I'll let you know about it later on. As of now, about A to Z, no accurate measurement given from our side. It's left to your discretion, so you need to thank Sadaf ma'am for that. And now when the border also, it also depends upon your, but only thing which you need to keep in mind is, from this side, the right hand side, you need to leave a little bit more margin because it's going to be spiral bind. Compared to the other 3 sides, this margin should be more, so that it is left for the spiral binding. That you need to be kept. Now the pictures, as I've already told you all, anything else, any other doubt which you all have regarding? Border also is left to your discretion, with pencil, black pen, whatever. But don't use a sparkle pen. Don't use a sketch pen, that will smudge the ink. We make it more unclean. It will give a very shabby look. It should be neat and presentable.
For alphabets, we can use different colors, no?
Yeah, different colors. You need to use different colors. Sheets should be also the different colors of the sheets. Not one color, different color sheets. You need to have different colors for the sheets, different colors to be painted. But same, suppose if you are using yellow, both should have a same color. You can change the color, but both same color. Small as well as the capital should have the same color. Keep changing colors for each alphabet. Any other doubt for assignment? Module 1, 3 assignments as I specified in the morning. Sorry? That I need to just confirm. I'll just confirm with ma'am. You have ample of time. You all need to go through, just you all can go through. These are the sample copies you all can go through. Just return it back before leaving. Any other specifications required, please let me know. End of September, 30th September is the submission date for module 1, all the 3 assignments. Still ample of time. Yeah, that's right. 2.5 months. Nearly 3 months we can say. Okay, ample of time is given. That is why we have given the topics right in the beginning, initial stage, so that you all can start working upon. Anything else? So we wind up the session here. Thank you for having a patient listening. And I hope the language, you all have enhanced a lot of language and the vocabulary skills today. No, my session is now next Saturday. Next Saturday for math. I don't come early, but anything you can just go through the presentation, I'll be there. She came in late. 1 hour you have missed upon. So next session I'll just cover up. Next session we'll be having lunch time, no? Next Saturday, I'll take up that 1 hour session. I'll help out. Story books, if you buy, no? The story books, it's there. The pictures are there. Yes, teachers, you wind up the session. Anything? You can just return me those sample copies, please.